I'm Nandan. Today I want to share with you basically for Cbse student, they are studying fashion studies. And now I want to share with you what is continuous placket. Okay, basically in the garment construction, we have a small parts like in plackets, like in pockets, like sleeves. We know this is the lots of pieces of pattern cutting, and our work to just join together, you will get a final shape for the garments. Now I want to discuss with you continuous placket. What is the continuous placket? Yes, basically this type of placket is easy. It's really easy to make and serves basic number of variation. It is one piece. Remember, it is one piece placket that is widely used in cupped in the cuff, slips, opening to permit hand fit through slips circumstance. Okay. So my dear student, I think if I will show you, then practically it is not possible practically, but in directly if I'll show you what is the main things is, so then you can understand properly. So it is one piece placket that is widely used on cuff slips. This is the cuff slips. This is the cuff. You can understand this is the one of the slips of cuff slips. Opening to permit. This is the opening parts. You see, this is the opening parts. Yes, we are joined this way. This is the opening parts. Yes, this is the parts. This is called in placket. Opening. This is permit hand to fit through slips circumstance. Actually, when these plackets will open, this is the placket. So it will, when will you cover the button, so you see you can give a shape of mainly the wrist portion. It depends on your wrist measurement, and that can it's possible to reduce and make it the bigger to use the button. So this slips is the blowpins, children dresses also use in this kinds of on skirt, trousers. These parts we are using. Not only this one, zipper application would destruct from the appeal garments is used also. Sometimes you see this one in the zipper portion, you will get it this one. This is called to placket. Like I will show you another one, then you can understand. This is the one of the jeans pants, and the zipper are used here. That is also the plackets. You see this portion we are using this one. This one also is the placket. So you can understand very easy way. Now I will continue how we'll construct this plackets. Okay, basically one by one. So continue step up construction. Okay, you can just write down this way. Basically in Cbse exam, the examiner, they want to write down that was step up construction of plackets. First one here, place the right side of the plackets on the wrong side of the slips opening. Okay, first right side of plackets on the wrong side of the slips opening, and start stitching near the edge, leaving a distance of 1/4 inches. 1/4 inches, if you will get it 1 inches divided, it will be the 4. Okay, so 1/4 you can understand 1/4. As you come in the center of the placket, minimum 1/4 seam allowance of placket piece and reduce the allowance of garment piece. Take care so that no pleat, this is the formation takes place of the point. Okay, so this is the way. So place the right side of plackets. I will show you here. This is the right side of the plackets on the wrong side of the slips. Okay, right side of the slips, the plackets, and wrong side of the slips opening. The both side you can understand. This is the first step here that I want to show you. This is the right side and this is the collar side. Okay, you have to draw this way also. Okay, now the next one. So first is place, first step again I am telling you, place the right side of the placket on the wrong side of slips opening and start stitching near the edge leaving a distance of 1/4. As you come on the center of the placket, minimum 1/4 is seam allowance is the need. Okay. Next point is fold the allowance other side of the placket and place it is first stitching line, then stitch in place. Second step is fold the second step is this. First step is this. I will show you that one. This is the right side of placket, right side of placket, and wrong side of the sleeves opening. Wrong sides of the sleeves opening. I will show you more. You can check it properly. Right side of the placket, you also give a drawing. This is the right side of the plackets and wrong side of sleeves opening. And start stitching, and this is the starts stitching. Okay, and start stitching near the edge leaving of the distance. This is up to your stitching. Okay, and distance is 1/4. As you come in the center of the placket, minimum here your seam allowance need is 1/4 inches. Next one, fold the allowance. This is the fold line. Fold the allowance. This is the seam allowance other side of the placket and place it is first stitching line, then stitch in place. From right side of the sleeves, take care the stitching at the back should be same. If it is on top, it should be maintained on top throughout, and it is a ditch then minimum throughout in good quality placket. This seam is on top of the back. From wrong side at a slip stitch both the upper of under the placket 2 to 3 times diagonally near end. This is known as bar track. Okay. So this is the process you have to write down. Okay. So this is the main parts of first. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. After you have to seam allowance 3/4. Then the stitching parts, and you will get it. This is your continuous. This is your pattern continuous of steps of construction of patterns. Okay.